Hello, it's Miss Paula here, and guess what we're gonna make today? We're gonna learn how to make microwave popcorn because I hope everybody loves to eat microwave popcorn like I do. So I have my bag of microwave popcorn here. I'm going to open it up, and I press the edges here. Open it up, take it out of the package. The first thing I'm going to do is I have to read the instructions, and it tells me that popping times may be different or less according to everyone's microwave that they have. And it tells me that I do not need to use microwave popcorn butter right now. So what I'm going to do is I am going to read the directions, and then we're going to open it up and put it in the microwave. And it says step number 1, set the time. Popping times vary. Well, on this one it says 1.5 to 2.5 minutes on high. So what I'm going to do is I always put my microwave on 2 minutes. I'm going to open it up, put it on 2 minutes. And I am going to open up my bag of popcorn, and it says right here to put this side up. So I'm going to make sure that when I put it in my microwave that it is on this side up. And I am going to shut my door, and I am going to start cooking. And while this is going on, you're going to hear that once it starts going, you're going to be hearing the kernels pop. And also on microwaves, some microwaves have the button popcorn, which mine does right there. But I was just showing you all that there's 2 ways that you can cook microwave popcorn. You can put in the time, which I did was 2 minutes, and as you can see, the timer is going down, or I have the microwave button popcorn on my microwave. So let's listen to while it is cooking. Oh, do you hear that? I can hear the kernels popping. I'm so excited for this. I love microwave popcorn. And you know who else loves microwave popcorn? My dog, Lily. She will always come and beg me for some. Can you hear the microwave popping? It's almost done. It says 35 seconds. And also, I remember I was telling you about microwaves vary on the time. You can listen to the kernels, and if the kernels stop popping, then that is also a sign that it could be done. Because you know what? You really don't want your microwave popcorn to burn, and that wouldn't be any good to eat, would it? Oh, there we go. Oh, I'm excited. Let's open up the door. Oh, but guess what we got to do now? We have to get it out really carefully. And then it says here, pick up here. And we have to make sure that we pick it up there because guess what? It doesn't want us to burn our fingers because that would hurt, wouldn't it? So now we're going to take it and we're just going to barely pinch them back, and you'll see it opens up, and guess what I got? I got a pink bowl, of course, because my favorite color is pink. And we're going to dump the popcorn in there. And guess what? There's no kernels. We did good. I hope you all enjoyed this lesson on microwave popcorn.